To print one page only in Word, we can use two methods. The first method is to use Print Current Page. First, place the cursor on the page you want to print in the Microsoft Word document, then go to the Print menu. You can press the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously on the keyboard, or go to the File tab and select Print. Then in the Settings section, change the settings from Print All Pages to Print Current Page. Then automatically the page that we are going to print will appear in the print preview display on the right. After that, you can immediately click Print to continue to the next process. For the second method, you go to the Print menu without having to place the cursor on the page to be printed. Then you determine which pages you want to print in the Pages box below Print All Pages. Type the page number that you have determined you want to print, then click Print and see the results. That's how to print one page only in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.